Okay, open. This one I ask you to do in what book? Oh no, I asked you to do in the graph paper, isn't it? Okay. But if you look at the question, they are not going to construct a graph actually. Okay, but never mind. On the paper, graph paper, at the back of the graph paper, you still can do this. Okay, construct a frequency table such that there are 5 classes already given. 5 classes. Okay. Then state the lower limit, upper limit, midpoint, lower boundary, upper boundary of each class interval. So, yeah, but I asked you to do this one on our graph paper. Then you are going to paste it in your exercise book. Okay, the data below shows the time taken by 50 pupils to go to school from their houses. The time recorded is in the nearest minute. Okay, so if we are going to construct our frequency table, what must we have first? Class interval lah. So how do we want the smallest? The highest minus the smallest. Then divide 5 classes there, right? Okay, so the highest one is which one is the highest one? 49. The highest 49, isn't it? Okay, so you have to determine first the highest. Okay, first we are going to okay, the highest 49, the smallest here is going to be 1, smallest. Okay. So if we are going to determine for our class interval, you are going to have class interval. Yes, the highest 49 minus with the lowest over here. Then you are going to, yes, if you look over here, it's given to us, there are 5 classes. So you have to divide by 5. Okay, so you are going to get 9.6. So I'm going to round off to 10. So the class interval is going to be 10. Okay, what does it mean? It means Alhamdulillah. Okay, the smallest here is going to be 1, right? So you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Right? Can you understand? And then that's for the first class interval. Yes, come in. I cannot do now. I'm in the middle of teaching. Sekejap lagi boleh? Terima kasih. Okay, saya continue. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, we are going to construct our frequency table. Okay, I'm going to construct over here. Yeah. Apa dia? Yes. That's why you have to look into your textbook, PBD book. PBD book got your what? Your textbook also got. Okay. So what you are going to have over here, I'm going to get my class interval, and this one should be our frequency. Too big. Okay. Wait ya. Ya Allah, apa ni? Okay. So how much of our class interval you are going to get? Okay, if you look for our class interval over here, yes, we are going to get over here from 1 until 10. Okay, so the highest one is going to be 49, right? So we are going to do over here. Okay, 1 until 10. This one we use green color. Okay, sorry, I'm going to use green first. Okay, for that. Okay, next is gonna be
11 until 21.
you must count it. 11. You are not going to put there. Oh, 1 to 10, then 11 to 20. Is it correct? No. We are going to count it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, 20 lah.
Salah kira rasa 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Aisyah. Isn't it? 11 to 20. Okay. So you're gonna get the next one here is gonna be from 11 to 20. Means that it's gonna be running lah. 31 to 40. Then 41 to 50. Even though the highest one is gonna be 49, right? But we are going to put it under.
Sir, 20, 21 bukan 31.
Where? Apa? Sorry. Nampak sangat. I just do it purposely. 21 until 30. I want to look whether you aware or not.
Kita orang dah lari dah dengan alasan tu, sir.
Oh yo. Laki semua sama je kan? Okay, now what we are going to do next here, we are going to find our frequency. This is what we call our frequency table. Okay, now from 1 to 10, let us look over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of it. Alah, 9. So we are going to get 9. So you just put over here. From our 1 to 10 there, you are going to get 9 of it. Understood? Okay. 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 already, right? Kan? Where?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, here, 20 here. So 20 lah. Right? I thought it's 20 lah. Okay, so it's gonna be 20 of it. 21 to 30. 21 to 30. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where? 9, 10, 11, 12 of it. Okay, so 30. Isn't it? Okay. Okay, 30. Now 31 until 40. 31 until 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of it.
Bawahnya satu, sir.
Yes. So 41 until 50, we got only one there, right? 49. There already I highlight that. 49, the highest one. So you are going to get 1. Okay. How did we want to know that our frequency table is correct or not?
Plus, dapat balik 50 bro.
Yes. If you look over here, our data here is going to be for 50 pupils. Means that 50 here we are going to get from the frequency, the total of frequency. 5 pula. 9 plus 20 plus 13 plus 7 plus 1. Is it 50?
Yes.
Yes. So it's correct for your frequency table. Understood? Okay. Then state the lower limit, upper limit, midpoint, lower boundary, upper boundary. You are going to take from our frequency table here. Okay? Just extend. Over here.
Lower limit.
Yeah.
Cikgu. Faizan ni cikgu. Cikgu.
Nak ambil gambar? Oh, PBD. Alamak, PBD tak ada dekat sini. Dalam ni. Kejap Sekejap. Table here we are going to extend. What we are going to need here is gonna be our
Lower limit.
okay, we are gonna have our lower limit.
Lepas tu upper.
Apa?
Upper, sir.
Upper. Yeah, gonna extend first. Okay. So we are going to have over here lower limit. Dah. Lower limit, upper limit, midpoint,
Lower boundary.
lower boundary,
Upper boundary.
boundary and upper.
Size of class interval.
That one no need, right? No need. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make our table first. Wait. Okay, now. Okay, finish. We construct our lower limit, upper limit, midpoint, lower boundary, upper boundary. Okay. For those who are absent on that day on my class, not absent in the school. Okay. Lower limit, you are going to look at the class interval there. Everything on the left side, 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Everything there is going to be lower limit. So you are going to copy everything there. 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. Kena rajin lah, kena tulis. Okay, next is going to be upper limit. Yes, on the right side at our class interval, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Can? Okay. How about midpoint? For our class interval there, we are going to plus our lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So you are going to have over here 1 plus with 10 divided by 2. You're going to get 5.5. Means that for the next one here, 11 plus 20 divided by 2. 15.5. 15.5. Means that this one 25.5, 35.5, 45.5. You can see the pattern there. Right? Okay. Lower boundary. Okay. Lower boundary, if you look at our lower limit there. Lower limit. Okay, 1, right? Before 1 is what? 0. You are going to get 1 plus with 0 or 0 plus with 1. Then you are going to divide by 2. 0.5. Upper limit, you are going to take 10
plus 1.
no, plus the next. Because upper, right? So 10 plus with 11 divided by 2, you're gonna get 10.5. So I'm not going to encourage you to do this one straight away. Okay, you have to calculate one by one. But what I see over here is going to be what? A pattern. You can see the pattern over here. 10.5. I'm going to take for our lower boundary for the second class interval here. Means that for the upper boundary for the second class interval there, I'm going to get 20.5. Over here, 20.5. Then for this one, I'm going to get 30.5. For this one, 30.5. I'm going to get the next one here, 40.5. 40.5 over here. I'm going to get my upper boundary for this one is 50.5. But my advice for you, you check first lah. Is it you are going to get the same one? Because this is like a pattern there. Can you see that? The girls, what does it mean? The upper boundary here for the first class interval is going to be the lower boundary for the second class interval. The upper boundary for the second interval is going to be the lower boundary for the third interval. Okay. And one more. It's not here. It's not asking here. It's going to be what? Cumulative frequency. Cumulative. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative. Cumulative frequency, you are going to take from your frequency table here. Okay, means that we are going to accumulate 9. Okay, first you are going to get 9. Then for the second one, it's going to be 29, isn't it? 9 plus 20. Next, you're going to get 29. You are going to accumulate with 13. Plus with 13. And until you are going to get 50 at last one there. That's for our cumulative frequency. So this one finished already for 7.1. Yay! Can go.